Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are at the house. We're viewing a house. Let me show y'all what it looks like from the outside. Yeah. Hold on, I'll be right back. Say hey, Poopy.
Hey.
There's Babe. This is what the house looks like, y'all. And we're getting ready to go in and view it. I wanted to bring y'all with me to take a look at it. Come on, Kayy, this way. Dang, they got stuff all in here.
Yeah.
There are beer cans and stuff. Trash over there. But look at the neighborhood, yeah. Very nice. A lot of nice housing. All right, let's see. It smells good in here. It smells like somebody smoked some trees up in here. Hey, y'all, so this is the dining area. Let me see where the light's at. Dang, that's a bright light. There's the dining. Quick, Poopy. This is the office space. Very nice and cute. Daddy, quick. Here is the kitchen, y'all. This is also nice. You got your over the top, over the oven microwave, stainless steel appliances, pantry, nice size, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher. Okay. And like I said, this is the dining area. That's the formal dining.
That's the same thing.
Yeah, baby, this the same. That's the same refrigerator we got at home. And this one right here is your breakfast nook area for your table. We got the living room. It's a nice little space, but the light won't stay on. Keep flicking off. It's an okay size, I guess. I like all these windows right here. I would do the curtains way up high though and then drop them to the ground. Yeah, you got your island where you can put about 5 or 6 bar stool chairs depending on how big they are. Here's the backyard. Okay. Covered patio. It's all right, little size backyard. It's not bad. Look at your view. You see all the other houses over there. And your garage is in the back of the house, which I don't like, but it's okay. There's your laundry room. The who? The pantry on the other side. That's the garage right here, 2-car garage.
Don't be tight.
A little bitty 2-car garage, but it's a 2-car. Let's head upstairs. Yeah, that's the pantry right there. Oh, here's some more stuff down here. Is that a closet or a half bath? That's the half bath, y'all. And that's the closet underneath the stairs.
Hey, Mommy, come here. Come here. Come upstairs.
Yeah, he just ready to go upstairs. Let's go. Got a little window right here on the stairs. I guess all the rooms are upstairs because it sure isn't the master down there. So this is the game area. Kind of small. Not really the size we're going for. We want one that's way, way, way bigger. All right, here you have a hallway closet. Sorry it's dark, y'all, but I see now they just have got an electric problem or they just ain't really got no lights like that. This is the master bedroom. Okay, this is a nice size right here, y'all.
Okay,
That's from one angle. Come on around and boom, there you go. So yeah, that's a big size master. Still like the windows. Yeah, Kayy talking about this is a good bathroom.
Awesome.
Okay, I like this. Small, real smaller than what we have been viewing.
Mom, can I touch that mirror?
Toilet.
Mommy.
Here's the closet.
Really, really small.
That's a safe. Oh. Yeah, this is a nice size closet. But like I said, the bathroom is way smaller than the houses we've been viewing because the other houses was real huge.
I like this. I don't like these when they have. Why they keep putting them in the
Hey y'all.
Mom, it's a timer right here.
So yeah, that's the master. Let me turn this light off in here. That's a big size master though. Look how big it is from right here.
300 square feet.
I had to get back on there and look. I know it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, but I don't know how many square feet it is. This is another bathroom. I'm glad they have double sinks because a lot of them don't. This is a little bedroom. Yeah, this is real small. Closet. I wish I would have showed y'all one of the houses that we seen previously because these, compared to the other houses we've been seeing, these are little. This one has a double door.
A double door.
Double closet, walk-in closet.
Double.
And then the last bedroom is here.
Mom, look at this.
So yeah, these are little. Oh, then he like this where you can look over.
Mama, it's a secret door right there.
I like that.
Mama, Mommy, it's a secret door right there.
Secret door. This is that's the towel closet for your towels upstairs.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it either, y'all. If I'm being honest, this is nothing compared to, I like that little skyline though. That's cute. I mean, skylight. But this is,
No skylight.
I mean, the view of the sky, whatever. This house is really a 3 compared to the houses we've been seeing. I wouldn't even give it a 3. I'd say at least like a 5. It's just little.
It'd be cool for us going down.
Yeah, it'll be a straight starter house. But the rooms are extra little. And I don't like that.
I would put it. I ain't gonna try to him. I'd make this a chill food.
By the kitchen.
Why not? This what you want me saying, games, does it?
Yeah, this house ain't it. But I wanted to bring y'all along to show y'all a house or whatever. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. But I do like this kitchen. I must say that. I do like the kitchen.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy.
The dining area could have been bigger. Oh no. The office could have been bigger. Because this is small in a sense. So yeah, y'all. But we're finna get up out of here. That's the end of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see more house tours with me because I will take y'all. So, yeah. Just let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to do more house tours or whatever, let me know. Be sure to, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go over and subscribe to the couples channel. It'll be right there. And the family channel right there. Peace out, y'all.